The snow is very thick. Wait. The snow is very thick and this is not animal cruelty. I will pick her up right away. I just want you to see how deep is the snow. I'm going to throw little Destiny here. Okay? This is not animal cruelty. Whoop! Okay. Not even a minute. Not even a minute. Okay, remove your sweater. Remove your sweater. Oh. Woo! Snowstorm pa more. The whole county is on shutdown. The whole county is in shutdown because of snowstorm, and it's still falling since yesterday at noon. Look at this is our pathway. This is how deep it is. Going into our sidewalk. This is our street. It's still falling. The snow is still falling. It's very, 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 very cold. It's very, very cold. This is the front of our house, and that's our backyard. It's from my knees up to my knees. I'm not on the sidewalk. This is on our yard. I'm going in the back. I can't hardly walk because it's by my knees. I bet I can't open the gate. Wow. See how deep the snow is? I tried to... Wow. The gate is frozen.